Hey there YouTube, how's it going? So back here with another little video for y'all today. A little bit different. I'm still working on something. I'm always working on something, but I just want to talk a little bit about it's Memorial Day weekend right now. It's Saturday. Let me get this up. I'm probably gonna upload this in just a few minutes, but just wanted to let y'all know. As you can see, I'm actually clean, which is weird. But just want to give y'all talk to y'all a little bit about that. You gotta take time to enjoy like these weekends and stuff. Like Memorial Day weekend. Well, it doesn't have to be this weekend, but whenever you're in your business for yourself, there's a lot of go, 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 go. Don't worry about everything. Just get the job done. And that's great. It's great until it's not. So don't be afraid to take a weekend off. And well, if you have commitments, that's one thing. But don't be afraid to tell people no. Don't always be the guy that say yes. If you can't do it or you got other pile commitments, that's fine. I mean, it's different if you're in a spot where you really need the money, and that's one thing. But you don't have to do work. I'm the guy that will work all weekend, all week, all weekend, every day after work, and not think twice about it. It's the kind of guy I am, and it's good, but it's bad. Just remember, take some time for yourself. Having a hobby is not a bad thing, even if welding is your hobby. That's my problem. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know. Just remember what the day is for the fallen heroes, soldiers, and their family that have went to war and done without and died for us, for our freedom. So just remember that it's not just a day off. But don't be afraid to take the weekend off, or what if you can. I know it's not always the case. I've worked through many holidays and everything, but just take some time to enjoy it. And because if you're working all the time, it ain't no fun. Take some time to enjoy it with your family, friends. Because at the end of the day, if you don't got any of that, it's kind of what's it's worth. I've known plenty of guys that would walk their butt off and always try getting ahead, which I get. I'm that way, but if you can't enjoy it and can't be with your family, it's kind of pointless in my opinion. But yeah, don't be afraid if this weekend, or if like this weekend you were gonna go with family or whatever, or go with your girlfriend, wife, boyfriend, whatever it is. Had plans, don't blow them off just to walk. I mean, that customer will be there, and then if they don't understand that you don't work on Sundays, for instance. That's what I try doing. I try not working on Sundays if I'm possible. Not always possible, but I try not working on Sundays. And if the customer don't understand that, you can do your best to please them. But if they don't understand that, say, hey, I need a day off. But one day off is for me and my family. So if that doesn't work for you, then I'm sorry. That's my rules. And stick to them, because you will regret it. You will regret it if you don't. When you're out busting your butt all day on a Sunday, when your family's at home, just hanging out, having a good time, and you're not there, you'll miss those things. I can't say I have a whole lot of experience. Well, I got some experience, but there's a lot more guys that got a lot more experience with that. And if y'all want to chime in, down below in the comment section, that'd be great. But I just want y'all to think about it, and it's the reason we're doing this is to provide for ourselves and our family for the most part. I mean, not everybody, but so they need you too. So I think I'm trying to beat a dead horse here, but just a little update on the week. I mean, I haven't really done a whole lot this welding work wise this week. Done a little bit here and there, nothing really worth mentioning. Yeah, next weekend I'm going down to Jacksonville, North Carolina, to do some work with another welder. Doing some work down there for the weekend. We'll be there all weekend, and may have a couple things going on this week. I gotta see if anything pans out or not. But kind of slowed up a little bit for me, which I'm kind of okay with. I have some projects around the house that I'm working on. Just about got all the metal work done on that trail. Got a little more to do, but yeah, that, and then I got the new pump on the crane. I made a video about that. I'll need to post that. What else did I do? Got this other little project right here that I'm working on. Just a hoist, switching a mount out, switching a winch out. But I got a whole bunch of projects sitting on that trail that I got to get to. But I'll get to them when I get to them. I think tomorrow I might work on some of them, take part of a day and just mess with them, because I ain't got a whole lot going on right now. But yeah, like I said, that's the advantage to having a day job, is if I'm slow, it's okay. I can catch up my own stuff. Like I said, I wish I could do my own stuff all the time. If I stay busy, I can make quite a bit more money than I do at my day job, but that if you got the business all the time, as probably most of y'all know. But yeah, that's just all I want to talk about today, and just remember the day, and y'all enjoy this weekend and be safe. If y'all got Monday off, great. If you don't, well, get back at it, make that money. But talk to y'all later.